Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Chase online banking, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you turn on paperless statements for your Chase business account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to turn on paperless statements for your Chase business account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running a business, you probably get a lot of junk mail, and with Chase, they allow you to get paperless statements. So basically, you can just log into your account and get your statement. You don't have to have the paper statement. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Chase online banking. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Chase account, and this is the home screen. And here on the home screen, if you want to turn on paperless statements in your Chase account, here on the top right, you're going to click on this little person icon. Once you do that, you want to click on profile and settings. All right. Once you do that, you're going to see this menu on the left, and you want to click on account settings. Once you click there, you want to click on paperless. Okay. Once you do that, you're going to see these check marks right here. So you can see I have paperless turned on for all document types, statements, notices, letters, tax documents, all investor material. This is for all of my accounts. Now, if you want to pick and choose for your separate accounts, you can scroll down and you're going to see the account number right here, the account type, and then you can go ahead and customize it for each one of your accounts. For me personally, I just receive paperless for all of my accounts. So that way none of this stuff is mailed out to my address. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to turn on paperless statements for your Chase business account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.